can you grow herbs and vegetables together? And this is Kathy. I think that's an interesting question. So what do you think about that? Can you grow them together?
Absolutely.
Absolutely, he says.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, I mean, the herbs that are perennials that are going to spread, they may not be convenient in a vegetable garden where you've got things in rows, but you can put them in their own row on the side. You can put them in pots. The ones that are really invasive, like the mints and the oreganos, I would certainly put in pots or put in something that you will keep those stolons from branching out. But absolutely, I know people who really believe that that herbs can be companion plants and
that's the term. Yeah.
Prevent or discourage diseases or discourage insect pests. And I don't know that everybody agrees about that,
Yeah.
but on the other hand, they look good.
They look good, right?
And you're growing them. So.
Right. It may make for better flavor and things like that. So you have any examples for us of herbs that grow well with certain vegetables?
The one I remember, because it works in the kitchen too, is grow basil with your tomatoes. So that's the one I remember.
Yeah, basils, tomatoes. I've heard basil, peppers, right? And I've also heard lettuce and mint, believe it or not. Yeah, to confuse snails.
Well,
that's what some of the old timers would tell me. Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. But you can grow them together.
Absolutely.
So, Miss Kathy, you can grow those together. If anything, and Ms. John said, it looks good, right?
Right.
It looks good, and it may help out with flavor too as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.